Welcome back to Finance and Sticks. I'm your host, H. If you've been following the playlist, this is video 3 and trust me, this one is crucial. Today, we're talking about something every smart investor must understand before putting money anywhere. It's called risk tolerance. This is one of the biggest factors that determines your success as an investor. If you're new here, no problem. You can still learn a lot from this episode. Just make sure to check out the previous videos when you're done. What is risk tolerance? Risk tolerance simply means how much financial risk you're comfortable taking. Or in other words, how much can you lose before you start panicking? Some people can handle big drops in the market and stay calm. Others start sweating if they lose just a little. It's not right or wrong. It's just about knowing what works for you and what kind of investment fits you. Understanding your personal risk tolerance helps you avoid emotional decisions like selling in a panic or buying based on hype. Why risk tolerance matters? Let's say two people invest the same amount of money. One is comfortable with risk, and the other isn't. When the market crashes, the second person sells in fear and locks in a loss. The first one stays calm, rides it out, and eventually sees their investment grow. This is why risk tolerance matters. It affects what you invest in, how long you stay invested, and whether you actually reach your goals or not. It's the foundation of a long-term, stress-free investment plan. What affects your risk tolerance? Risk tolerance isn't just about feelings, it's influenced by a few key things. 1. Your age. Younger people usually have time to recover from losses, so they can take more risk, while older people may want more stability and less exposure to risky assets. Because of their age, they will be scared of taking risks, because they might not have enough time to bounce back like the younger ones. 2. Your financial situation. If you have a steady income, emergency savings, and low debt, you might handle risk better. But if you're struggling financially, even small losses can feel overwhelming. 3. Your goals. Are you investing for something 5 years away or 30 years away? Short-term goals need safer investments. Long-term goals can handle more volatility. For your personality. Are you someone who stays cool under pressure, or do you get anxious when things go left? Be honest with yourself. Investing isn't about pretending to be fearless. For how to know your risk tolerance. You might be asking, so how do I figure out my risk tolerance? Here are 3 simple ways. 1. Take a risk tolerance quiz. There are many free tools online where you answer questions and get a risk profile: low, medium, high. Just search risk tolerance quiz. 2. Think about past reactions. Look back. Have you ever lost money before? How did you feel? Did you panic? Your emotional response is a big clue. 3. Test small. Try investing small amounts in different asset stocks, mutual funds, crypto. See how you feel when the price moves up or down. This will teach you a lot. Matching risk with investments. Once you understand your risk tolerance, you can start matching it to the right types of investments. For low risk tolerance, stick to savings, bonds, or stable dividend-paying stocks. For medium risk tolerance, go for a mix of stocks, ETFs, and maybe some real estate. High risk tolerance gives you might be comfortable with growth stocks, crypto, or even startups, but only if you understand the risks. The key is alignment. Your investments should match your comfort level so you can stay consistent and avoid panic moves. At the end of the day, successful investing isn't about chasing the biggest returns. It's about finding what you can stick with through the ups and downs. In the next video, we'll talk about the types of investment, so make sure you don't miss that. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, drop a comment telling me your risk level, low, medium, or high, and subscribe to Finance and Sticks so we grow this journey together. Stay wise, stay consistent, and I'll see you in the next one.